Stop by and take a look at the 2024 Golf GTI. This Volkswagen is considered by many to be the hot hatchback. The GTI easily accommodate up to 4 adults. A decent-sized 15-plus cubic foot trunk is well-shaped and easy to load. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, turbocharged, panoramic roof, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.